Good morning, seventh grade. I'm just wanted to give you some information on this overview video. I'll make one of these every week and it will be posted on the Monday overview in the module. So it's just information to give you a guide to your work for the week. So here is the home page. Every week you can either click on modules over here, or you can scroll down and click on week 1, module 1. Let's do that. And then you'll see that you've got Monday an overview and a to-do list. You'll have that every week. And then also today you're going to do an activity, a getting to know you activity. So let's click on this overview and to-do list just so you can see it. This is just a guide and there's nothing for you to turn in. However, I have your modules set up so that if you don't click on this and read it, it won't let you progress to the next one. So make sure to start at the top and go in order. Okay, and then I clicked next, so this automatically takes me to the next activity, and this is the Getting to Know You activity. This is worth 10 points. It's a graded discussion. So you are going to answer these questions in the discussion, and you are also going to reply to at least 2 classmates' posts. This is just a good way for us to get to know each other. Looks like some of you have already started. Way to go. Scrolling down, we'll go to next. On Tuesday, you are going to do this scavenger hunt in Canvas. So you'll just click here. This looks like a huge assignment, but it's not too bad. Most of these links are just informational, and you don't have anything to turn in, but some of them you do. The ones that have a point value, those are the ones that you have to turn in, okay? This is important because we'll be using Canvas every single day for this online course. So there's a lot that you already know, most of you, but some of the things like taking a photo with your Chromebook or a screenshot with your Chromebook or using Google Drive with your Chromebook, there's just a lot of different things on here that you might not know how to do. If you already know how to do all of this, this assignment's going to be really fast for you. Okay, Wednesday you're going to do a Nearpod about graphing. We'll use graphing a lot, so get that done. Wednesday there's a Nearpod about variables. And then, oops, that should say Thursday. I better fix that. Friday, there's a CER assignment, and that's just a special type of writing we want you to use in science, claim evidence response. And then this last page is just information for you. It's what we're going to be doing next week. So you can kind of look ahead and prepare your brain for that. And that's it. You have a meeting today, Monday at 11 a.m. You can look on the home page for the link for that meeting, or the code anyway, and I'll send an announcement reminder a few minutes before the meeting for those of you that forget. See you soon.